Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have an unboxing. I'm doing a collaboration with my friend Emilee at Emilee's Paper Caper here on YouTube. So go ahead and check her channel out. I'll have her links down below for her YouTube channel as well as her Instagram. But we became friends on YouTube because she had done my Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge, and she was the winner. She posted lots of fun ideas that she did with that challenge, and so we decided we wanted to do a collaboration. And what we were doing for this challenge was we sent each other items for a spring junk journal, and we are going to be doing a series of 4 videos. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing, and then we will be doing a video every week on Saturday for the next 4 weeks. So next week we will have like a process of putting the journal together, and then the week after that we will do embellishments, and then the last week will be a flip through of the whole journal. So yeah, we decided to do kind of a mix between Dollar Tree items and stuff that we had in our stash. So I'm super excited to open up this and see what she sent me, and I'm excited to see her reaction to the box that I sent her. So this is going to be really fun. So up on the top here, she sent me this card. I love the stamps. It's a cute little bunny butt here with the little postage stamp. I'm going to go ahead and open this, and this is some really pretty washi tape on the outside. See if I can get it open without ruining the tape. Oh yeah, I can pull it off. There we go. Oops. Oh, this is so pretty. If you haven't been over to Emilee's channel, she has a lot of fun paper crafting, making cards and scrapbook pages and junk journals and things like that. So this is so cute. I love it. That little mouse. And then inside she put in a bunch of fun little washi stickers. The big, like, vintage, lots of flowers and different vintage book page. It looks like sections from book pages, but they're like a washi sticker. Those are cool. All right. Okay, open this up. Oh, this is going to be so fun. Look at all this fun stuff. Oh, this is, what can I do with this? Little puzzle. I can alter the pieces, maybe. I've never done that, but I've seen it done before. This is so cute. Then there's a little pack of buttons and some beads. That's an adorable little set of beads. Some cards, and so funny, I sent her the same pack. So this will be fun. Some twine. That's so fun. And these, they're little clocks. Those are adorable. The laser cut kind. And then here's a little pack of Easter confetti. The flowers and the bunnies and the eggs. A pack of note cards. Those are pretty. It's so funny because, you know, we both shopped at the Dollar Tree, but we found different items. Some, like that, so far the only thing that I sent her was the index cards. These are really cool. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree. Oh, this is cute. I saw this, but I didn't end up getting it for her. Love those colors. This is adorable. Oh, we don't have these cute little papers at ours. Oh, those are so cute. love it. Wow. Those are really cute. And then some sacks. These are pretty. Ooh, these flowers are pretty. Wow. I didn't see these at ours either. Oh, I love those. Wow. These look like they're just a bunch of new stickers for this year. Here is some ribbon. That's really pretty. Oh, this is pretty. A notebook. It says Choose Joy on the front. And then it looks like the Choose Joy is on there as well. So that would be great to use this in the journal. Of course, this is all supposed to be used in the journal. Tablet. Awesome. Always use these in my books. And then, oh wow, this is pretty. Meditation art, some really pretty floral coloring book pages. Love that. Oh, this is cute. Sparkly unicorns. Love that. Aw. Adorable. Here's a word hunt book. That'll be great to add for the pages. Oh, these are cute. Here's some little book pages. I think I've seen these little kids music sheets before. Those are cute. And then some postcards. Oh, that's College of William and Mary. And then some recipe cards. And then here's some ABC book page. Oh, these are cute. There's some, oh, this is adorable with tiny little dictionary book pages. And then these are really cute. Some heart fabrics. That's really cute with the umbrellas and the rain boots. Oh, these are so adorable. Look at those little cats. And flowers. These look like vintage fabric hearts. This one's really cute. And then it's all clipped to the other side of that book page. So that'll be fun. Okay. Wow, Emilee, thank you so much. This is a lot of awesome stuff, and I cannot wait to get started with my journal. I'm going to have to lay this all out and figure out my game plan here to see what I'm going to, how I'm going to make this. I'm not sure. I have to decide what I'm going to do for my cover and then work on the pages and then the embellishments. So yeah, lots of awesome stuff here. So if you'd like to continue and watch this series and see what I make and how I make it, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Go over to Emilee's channel, Emilee's Paper Caper, subscribe to her channel, and see what we both make with our stuff. So thank you for coming and watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.